All right, everybody, I'm standing next to the brand new Operator Pro Junior. It's the newest pump stand in the Kleen-Rite equipment line of equipment. I'm gonna give you an overview of everything this pump stand can do for your car wash. It is a contactor-based system. What I mean by that is this stand will deliver all of your high pressure functions at the car wash. So high pressure soap, high pressure rinse, high pressure wax. This stand couples greatly with our brand new Pro line low pressure chemical boards. So look for those on the website when you're checking this pump stand out. It makes the complete car wash package. Let's dive into the pump stand and I'll walk you through what we got going on. All right, guys, let's run you through the electrical system of the Operator Pro Junior. Each bay is going to have its own set of system on-off switches and washdown switches. The system on-off switch is going to control the 24 volt circuit for that bay, and the washdown switch is going to allow you to wash down your bay after the customers have used it. The pump hours meter is going to help you track the hours on that cat pump so you know when to change the oil. On the inside, what we're going to see is that each bay has its own 24 volt transformer fused for the protection of the equipment. You're also going to see inside here we have our Allen Bradley contactor and overloads. That's going to be what starts the pump and the motor set itself, and the overload is there to protect the equipment again. Each bay is going to have its own wiring terminal with label for what the terminal function is right next to it. You can bring all of your coin box wiring right to that and send it out to the auxiliary low pressure boards from our Pro line. Up top is a system hours meter. That's going to tell you how long the system's been running, just so you can use that to double down on checking the funds that are inside your coin box. Each stainless steel enclosure can house up to 2 bays. So 2 bays here, this is a 4 bay pump stand, 2 bays just below it. If you ordered a 3, it would be 2 and 1. Each cabinet is completely stainless steel, just like everything else that this stand is made out of. That's going to wrap up the electrical section. Let's move on to the pumping station. All right, guys, let's run you through the pumping station itself. Up front, we got a Cat 310 pump. Behind that is a 5 horsepower ball door motor. Those two are brought together with a double belt and pulley system, and it comes standard with a stainless steel belt guard just to keep your fingers safe. Mounted on the cat pump itself is our pulsation dampener and a cat pump relief valve just to keep that cat purring like a kitten. On the discharge side, it comes pre-plumbed for weep, and we're using the Kleen-Rite regulator to hold that pressure steady going out to the bay. The inlet side is our inlet manifold. That's where we're going to bring high pressure soap and high pressure wax from the storage tanks up top down to the pump to get it out to the bay to your customers. I'm going to take a step back here and I'm going to show you we're using the GC manifolds to distribute this soap and wax to the different bays. This is an all stainless steel manifold. It comes pre-wired and pre-plumbed right from us here at the factory. Behind that is the HDPE water distribution block, and that's how we're going to feed water to each one of those cat pumps throughout your system. Up top is one water connection, and that's going to supply the water to the Job float valve, which is holding the water level inside your cold water tank, as well as supplying water to those 2 great hydrominder float systems in there, which is going to mix down the high pressure soap and wax for you. That is a quick overview of the Operator Pro Junior. If you have any questions, give us a call here at Kleen-Rite and we'll get you fixed up.
Kleen-Rite.